concept or not. In this starting session, I will ask some questions from you. Hashem,
Yes.
get ready. Okay. When you find these two doji, how you plot the SNR levels?
Wait 1 minute. Okay.
Tell me, I will plot these lines for you. Just tell me where I plot the line.
Below and above.
This doji
This.
and
Yes.
above. And for this doji,
Yes. Yes.
where? Here? Here I plot line or another point for this doji. I found another
Yes.
doji. So where I plot the SNR lines. Okay. Kapil?
Okay.
Kapil?
Yes. Yes.
I found these two dojis. Okay. Now I want to place SNR levels on the doji. So suggest me that where I plot the lines of SNR on this doji.
Just check.
Yes, tell me. Just
This doji na?
yes, this doji. Where I plot the lines. Tell me.
Yes. Here.
Here. Here.
Here.
And another. Another line.
Yes.
Other members, please mute your
Yes.
mic.
I draw.
Here.
Yes. 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 I draw here.
Other members, please mute your mics. Only Kapil, open your mic. Unmute your mic.
Yes.
Okay. So now you said that one plot line here and another line here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday what I teach you. Yesterday I teach you that if you find any doji, plot lines above, higher high and lower low. Okay. So where is lower low?
Yeah.
This. And where is higher high? This or this?
Yeah.
There?
Yes, but we can also consider this level.
No, why we consider this level? This is the opening and closing price. Okay? We
Okay.
don't have to consider the opening and closing price. It acts as a resistance, but this is not as strong. Okay? So
This.
we just consider these higher and lower price. Okay?
Yes, I know about that, but I just continue about this level.
No.
We can consider this level for previous level.
Another level is here. Look at. If we consider this level, okay, look at, is it working in the past? No working. But if we consider this level, so look at, it's working here, it's working here. Understand? So this opening price is not working here.
Yeah.
So we only consider the higher high and higher lows of the doji. Okay? Higher
Okay.
high and higher low. If we consider
Yeah.
this line, look at. Is it working here? Is it working here?
Yeah.
So only consider higher high and higher low. And now Shanawaz, do
Hello,
you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now to your turn. What we what is this pattern? Which is this pattern?
Sir, this is not clear engulfing pattern because the candle is starting from above, not from below. So this is we cannot consider the engulfing pattern, I think.
Very good. Very good. Which is this pattern?
Sir, this is I think this is not passing line because there not gap between these two candles. This start from this point. So if they can start from below, so then we can consider this as a passing line. But sometime we can consider because they close above 50, above from 50 level.
Okay. It's not necessary. It's opening from above or not, or opening from down. It's not no problem.
Okay,
But in the engulfing,
okay,
there
sir.
is a problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And what this pattern shows? Why this candle goes down? Why this candle goes not up from here?
Because sir, when we draw the SNR level, so we can say back no key level. So this is going for a down.
Here,
Sir, this
or
is
confirming
also
this.
is
Okay. Okay.
yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Very good. So SK.
Sir,
Yes. Now
tell
your
me, sir.
turn. This doji what shows? This is a reversal sign or continuation sign.
This is a continuation sign, sir.
Good. Can we consider this as a bullish engulfing?
Uh, uh, yeah, it's not crossed 50% line, sir.
Yes.
Not, sir.
Very
Not
good.
considered as engulfing, sir.
Very good. Because it does not cross a 50% level. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Some traders consider this is a bullish engulfing, but we cannot consider this a bullish. This is a bearish. Okay. This is a rocket candle. So
Okay,
that's
sir.
why this candle is going up. So if we follow the bullish engulfing, it's not a bullish engulfing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is this bearish hammer?
Yes, sir. It's a bearish hammer.
Okay, very good. Is this bearish hammer? I ask you again.
Uh, yes, sir. It's a bearish hammer, sir. 2 times more than body.
Again, think. It's a bearish hammer.
Uh,
Hello, sir.
What I say when on the first class, I told you that when this head appear in the downtrend, it's a bearish hammer. When it appear in the uptrend, what is this? Hanging man.
sorry, sir. Hanging man, sir. Hanging man. I got a confusion. Hanging man, sir. Shooting
Sir,
star and hanging man. I have an idea, sir. This is a hanging man.
what is this? Which is this pattern?
This is a bullish hammer, pin bar, sir.
Very good. Bullish pin bar. Okay. This is a bullish pin bar. And Hashem.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Hashem, which is this pattern?
Bullish engulf.
Very Can we consider this is a dark cloud cover?
If 50 we consider, otherwise no.
So it's cross 50% level.
No.
Then we cannot consider as a dark cloud cover. Okay.
Okay.
Is this piercing line pattern?
No.
Because it does not cross the 50% level. Okay.
Okay.
Can we see this is the engulfing? Can we call him this
Yes,
is the
yes.
engulfing? And we can call this is the
Yes.
engulfing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Doji candle. What shows? Which signs show the doji in this area? In this area, the doji what shows?
Indecision
Decision between
between two key levels.
what is indecision? When you find
No buyers.
indecision,
No.
when you find
No buyers. No
indecision,
sellers.
no. When you find indecision, in which force you find indecision?
Buyers
Then
force.
and seller force, because this is the war
Yes.
between buyers and sellers. So buyers and sellers, when does not give any reaction at the end. So this is the indecision. Okay.
Yes, yes. Okay.
So in this candle, how can I plot SNR level? Support level. How can plot a support level in this area? Where I plot a line?
Below the green opening of green candle.
Here. Here?
Yes.
Okay. This is just for that I'm checking that you are. I say there is a resistance. Why this candle goes up? I am saying that there is a resistance. Why this candle goes up?
A gap between key level and closing price.
Very good. There is a gap. That's why who fill the gap? These new force fill the gap. That's why this going up. Because on this support and resistance level, if this wick touch this level, then maybe market goes down. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So okay. Now we are moving to the lesson. This was just questions answer that you are getting or not my concepts. Now I am moving to the lesson. So today we will learn about the 3-bar pattern. 3-bar means candle. Okay, 3-bar pattern. So this pattern called as a morning star and evening star. When you find one bearish candle after a indecision or weak candle after again a bullish candle, you can say this is the morning star. And when if you find a bullish candle after we find a doji or weak candle, and after that we find a bearish candle, this is the evening star. Okay, so before you clear, I think that 50% level of the any candlestick is the support and resistance level. Okay, after that we now look at these levels on these patterns, how we plot the lines on these patterns. Look at now. Upper wick, lower wick, 50% level. This price can be the levels. Okay, in this case, this 50% level of this candle, opening price of this candle can be this level. Okay, sometime you find like that these dojis, these morning star, evening star. Look at, but sometime you find this candle here. You can say this is the morning star also. If you find this candle like here, you can say this is the morning star. If you find this candle like that, you can say this is the morning star. If you find candle like that, you can say this is the morning star. And also, when you find this candle like that, you can say this is the morning star. Same concept for the evening star. Okay, look at. When you find these patterns like that, you can say this is the evening star also. This is evening star. This is evening star. This is also evening star. Okay. So sometime just there is a concept of evening star. One bullish candle, weak candle, bearish candle. It means there is an evening star. So this is just a concept. Candles can be appeared on every body, something like that, something like that, something like that, something like that. But the way of trading is different, each and every pattern. After that, we understand the levels. I told you before on this chart how we plot the levels. Moving to the next slide, look at one line on the above, second line on the bottom of lower low, and one line here, and one line can be on the 50% level. Okay, so these are the patterns we can plot the lines on this morning star and evening star. After that, now how can we trade? We are coming from the downtrend. Are we coming from the downtrend? We find a bearish candle first. After that, we find a doji or weak candle. After that, we find a bullish candle. It's confirmed that there is a morning star up here. So how we can trade? Look at the next candle. Always we wait for the retracement candle. Before I told you, it can be here, can be close here, we can say morning star. It can be close above, we can say morning star. I will give you all the examples how can we trade. Okay, when price come to this level and cross this key level, so now the key level is here, so price must go down and touch this key level and close above, next candle will go up like that. But if you find pattern like that, okay, so here we plot the lines. Here now, next step. Price start from here and closes here. Now when candle come to this level, now another line, look at another line, 50% level. If price come to this level, reject from this level and close above this level, we can place a call option. If price cross this level, touch this key level, close above on this level, we can place a call option here. Another case, when price come to this level and close here, no wick, little wick, you can place a put option here, not a call trade. Another example, if price come to this level, okay, wick, there is still gap. Price must come to this key level, maybe reject from this key level and goes up. and maybe price close like that. After that, you can place a call option. Okay. If you find like that here, so forget this pattern now. This is another pattern. A bullish candle, bearish candle. So this is a bearish candle now. So another pattern appeared here. A bearish engulfing. Now wait, there is a key level. Maybe price touch this key level, reject from this level and goes down. Okay. If you find a price like that, open from here and close under this wick, price must go down. Okay, price will not go up. Maybe touch this level, maybe close down. Okay, if this closing price is right close under this doji wick, price must go down. If you find like that, maybe price come to touch this key level and close above, then you can place a call option. Okay, if you find this right on the opening price, okay, don't place a call option here. It will goes down, maybe touch this key level and close above like that. It will goes up then. So here you wait for retracement. So all of you understand about these all patterns, because morning
Yes.
stars sometimes appear in different way. So I draw each and every pattern. It means now you are aware about the morning star, how we can trade. Okay, and same concept for the evening star. But before, when we reach the evening star, we will again draw these lines, these patterns. So after this pattern, now you have to place a call option and this option will go up. So going to the next slide, look at price goes up. Okay, a new uptrend after morning star appeared. Understand? So now evening star. So evening star can be appeared as I before teach you about the morning star. So here this is the sign. Sometimes this is the doji, or sometimes this is a weak bearish. But you take the upper line, lower line, 50% line, and opening price. Okay. So now, if price open and close here, so next price will go up. Understand? If price come here and close here, next price will go this level, touch this key level and goes down. Okay. If price come touch this key level and right close on this key level, price must go up, reject from this level, close this line, and then it will go down. Okay. If you find like that, not touching the key level, price must go up. Okay. If you find like that, it will go up, touch the line, then price go down. If you find like that, not touching the wick, it will goes up. Maybe price come to there, again will go up. When again touch this level and close down, then price must go up. So there was the concept about the evening star and morning star. Do you understand? Everybody does that understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
After that, evening star, we wait for the retracement candlestick come here, close right on this level, touching the key level and goes down. Next candle goes down. A new minor trend appeared. Okay. So what avoid? If retracement candle cross the key level and close between the key levels, then don't trade according to reversal pattern. Wait for the next candlestick. If next candlestick reject from another pattern key level, then follow the reversal pattern. Okay, so here we clear everything. Now going to the chart. Okay, finding the morning star and evening star. Look at, is this morning star? Immediately plot a line here. Immediately plot a line here. One line on the 50% level. To understand if 50% level is correct. Little bit below. Okay. So the retracement candlestick come here, it cross this key level, come more down, but close above there is a space. So this space shows, and this crossing level shows that this next candle does not go, because when you find crossing the wick, crossing the key level, and this key level shows the buyers are here, buyers not are here. So this area shows that buyers are here. In the coming candles, you will see the buyers start from here. So when you find like this candle of wick, longer wick and similar body, don't trade for the call option. This is another avoid. Okay, avoid like these patterns. These patterns sometimes appear in the market. This pattern sometimes appear in the market. Every time this not appear, because here we find a evening star. After evening star, you immediately found a morning star. It's a pullback area. That's why this pattern does not work. Okay. Okay. This is the morning evening star. There was the level. Look at how this followed. This level followed, rejected, candlestick goes down. I told you before, when reversal pattern found, again you found a reversal pattern, it will does not work, it will goes down, and this is the pullback area. So there was the pullback area, a morning star appear in the pullback, it will goes down. Again we found a level, a pattern here. Okay, this pattern now may be continued, the market goes up, because this reversal pattern only a pullback, and because here was the reversal pattern, this reversal pattern unfolded, and as the reversal pattern appeared, this is the pullback area. That's why again when reversal pattern appeared, we will take position for the buy options. So in this scenario, you understand reversal pattern also a pullback. Finding another examples. You can also consider as a bearish evening star. If you find two candles, weak candles, you can consider below wick and above wick, and this opening price. This is also a evening star. You can consider this evening star. There was a round number, price reject from round number, this round number, and goes close down, market goes down. You can also consider when you find two weak candle in between bullish and bearish candle, you can consider as a evening star. Same for the morning star. So this is just a concept. It's not necessary only one candlestick between this. No, maybe two candles, maybe three candles. Here, look at what is here. Two candles. We can say this is the evening star. That's why market goes down. Understand? So you can consider as a evening star like this. This is also evening star. Okay. Consider this line. Consider this line, and wait further, because this line close on this area. That's why this goes up. So just a concept. When evening star appear, it means market can go down. Another pattern. You can consider as a morning star. It also plot lines here. lines on the bottom. Okay, so you can say this is the evening star. Also, there is a 50% level here. Okay, price come to this 50% level, touch and goes up. Again, a breakout happen. Look at a breakout of this candle happen. There was another level. Look at, there was another level. Price come to touch key level, reject from this key level and goes up. So you can consider a breakout, also a breakout happen here and also the breakout appear here of these levels. So market come to test this level and goes up. This is the evening star also. Look at 50% level. This is the 50% level of this candle. And this evening star appear on the 50% level and close on the, this candle close on the 50% level, goes up because it closed on the 50% level. That's why this goes up. So I told you 50% level also act as a support and resistance line of each and every big candle. Also these are the levels, okay, of evening star. It closed on the 50% level. Confirm is the 50% level is correct. Look at the 50% level is correct. Understand? So this is the morning star, and again we find a morning star. Look at, this is the morning star. This level, come touch key level, goes up, market goes up. Again we find a evening star. Look at 50% level. This level. This level. This level. Okay. What happens? I told you before, when color change, it means a resistance line here. Okay, a color change resistance. So this candle close here. We wait for the retracement candle. This retracement goes up and close on the right this level. Next candlestick goes down. So you wait for the retracement candle. You wait. You found a retracement candle. It goes up and close on the color change area. Color change area also a resistance line on the above. So that's why this candle close on this level and goes down. So this is the way of plotting the SNR and trading like that. Look at a morning star appeared in the uptrend, does not unfold. Another engulfing appeared, it will fold, goes down. Another example of the morning star. Look at, it can be a morning star. We can say this is the morning star. So here is the levels of morning star. Look at. Okay. 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 Another line. We take it from this line from here. Color change, resistance level. 50% level is here. So this candlestick crossed this level and does not touch 50% level. There was a gap and this candlestick crossed the level, therefore this candlestick goes down, and this candlestick close on the key level, right on the key level, reject from and close above the key level, next candlestick goes up. So this is the concept of trading the morning star. Another example, last example for this session. I give you many examples about morning star, evening star. Look at, this is morning star. How we can trade this morning star? Place a line here, place a line here, place a line on 50% level of this candle. Look at it. This candles come, reject from this key level, goes up. This candles also goes up and this candlestick also goes up. Okay. So when we find any pattern, we can plot this line. Also, this is a morning star. Look at, I told you before, when morning star price close on the resistance level, it will go down. This This is the morning star. So price close on the middle wick, middle level. Look at this price right close on the this level and goes down. So today I give you more example about the morning star, evening star, and I give you 4 to 5 pattern of the morning and evening star. It can be every pattern of for the morning star, evening star. Also, this can be evening star. Look at this is showing that this is evening star. So watch this video again and practice on the chart and ask me question on this group and send me pictures and show ask me, sir, this pattern is can we consider as a morning or evening star. So it's your duty now that you can practice on the chart and clear your concept about the morning and evening star and trade and show me these those trades on the group. Many people's, many members, they sharing their trades on this group. But you people, I did not see any trade on the chart, and you did not share any trade on this group. So always share the group, share your trades, either is there win or loss, so I can understand that you are getting my concept or not, as I can help you in the trading. So it's up to you. If you share your result, I can help you. But if you don't share with me, this course will end, but you will never learn the concept. So keep in mind, please practice and share your results. So it's all about the morning and evening star. Inshallah, tomorrow we will understand about, tomorrow we will learn about the spinning top. Then we will again review all the candlesticks. So now it's your turn. Practice and ask me question in the telegram and I will answer you all the questions. Okay, brothers? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for the class. You come on the time. Thank you. I'm going to share this video with you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.